Hi, I'm Rich Binko. I'm here to help you make an informed decision about choosing a personal injury attorney. We do the best we can to resolve folks' cases when their injuries have been fully determined in treatment rendered and they've plateaued at the recovery they have. Occasionally, because we have to bring the action because of statute of limitations concerns, we may end up in a situation where we feel that your whole injury hasn't resolved. Once your case is put into the trial or the case scheduling of a particular judge, things will happen fairly quickly. And in the odd circumstance where you end up having to go to trial where all of your injuries aren't determined or diagnosed, we do the best we can. Doctors would have to provide reports or testimony that within a reasonable degree of medical certainty, this is what your injuries are. We also would have them provide testimony or reports that within a reasonable degree of certainty, these are the expected consequences or sequela of your injuries or permanency of your injury. Unfortunately, sometimes a case has to be tried because it's on a judge's calendar and they have pressure to move files too. And we do the best we can. Those would be cases typically we would try to wait to sue toward the end of the statute of limitations to give the injury the most time to evolve, to be determined, and to be cured or plateaued out so that we can assess permanency. We work very closely with you, our clients, to make sure that there's good communication, and we want to know where you're treating and what you're treating, and we order the records. We order follow-up records from your primary care doctors on an usually a bi-monthly situation so that we can see what's going on. But on the occasion where we're forced to go to trial because it's taken a long time for your injuries to determine or the course of care or treatment is still ongoing, we can only do with as best as what your doctors feel. And at that point, the jury would be presented with that picture as well as an explanation as to how and why it's taken so long. We're very cognizant that we want to get full value for your injuries, and certainly we'd like to have you completed your treatment and either be made as best you can or have some idea of where things are.